Now let's talk about some stocks. Mahindra and Mahindra has been the stock of the year in terms of the index gainers. 62% this year. Nimesh has tracked this and he's going to tell us what's led to this and what's M&M's top focus.
Well, I'm putting the focus on M&M for a couple of reasons. One, as you rightly pointed out, was the stock of the year. Today, in fact, M&M has overtaken Tata Motors in terms of market cap. So it's the second most valuable company. But more interestingly, for the first time, it's kind of a unique thing that M&M is doing an investor day across all the group companies. So, which is why I thought, let me put the focus on the M&M group. Let me just go to the wall and tell you what exactly the group has done over the last couple of years, and especially this year. So, look at M&M, the parent company of that group. This year, the stock is up. If you look at from market cap, the group has added nearly 3.5 lakh crore market cap this year. Last 1 year, the market cap added is almost 2 lakh crore. And in the last 3 years, they've added 2.5 lakh crores of market caps. That's the overall M&M as a group, what they've done in the last 1, 2, and 3 years. So that's the market cap story. Now, this year, M&M has been the best performing stock. The stock is up 62% and has outperformed all the Nifty names. And, it's been the top gainer in the Nifty 50 as well. But if you look at the M&M group in terms of this year performance, in terms of stock prices, as I said, M&M was the biggest performer, up 62%. The other big outperformer has been Mahindra Logistics. That's up 21%. But the rest of the names, including in the Mahindra group, which is Mahindra EPC, Mahindra Lifespace, and all other names, including Mahindra Holidays and Tech Mahindra, they have just given single-digit returns as far as the stock price returns are concerned in the last in this year. But again, if you look at 23 and the 3-year CAGR, all have done reasonably well in the M&M group. Now look at the next table is the performance of the group in terms of top line. Between FY21 and FY24, across all the group companies, the top line has been quite strong. M&M from 74,000 crores to all the way to 1.4 lakh crores. So almost it's been a massive jump there. Tech Mahindra also has done phenomenally well. So has Mahindra EPC, Mahindra Lifespace, and Mahindra Holidays as well, as far as the top line is concerned. But if you look at the EBITDA margin performance, there's been a mixed bag as far as the group performance is concerned. So if you look at the operating performance, Tech Mahindra has done reasonably well. Mahindra has been M&M has done really well. Mahindra Lifespace has actually lagged in terms of operating profit over the last 3 years. Mahindra Logistics has improved, and so is the case with the other group stocks as well. Mahindra EPC, Mahindra Financial Services, and Mahindra Holidays, they have relatively underperformed or has been sidelined as far as the operating performance is concerned, as far as within the M&A group. But the group has already shared the 5-year vision, and the big focus area, according to the group management, is been on Tech Mahindra, Mahindra Financial, which is M&M Finance, Mahindra Logistics, Mahindra Lifespace, as well as Mahindra Last Mile Mobility. So these are the 5 big companies that the group is going to focus on. And I guess that's what the management is going to speak to the analysts as well in today's Investor Day and Analyst Day. But if you look at, again, they've shared this chart across categories they've put out, which are the 5 or 6 companies where they're going to focus on. So M&M as a group has done really well in the last 1 year. M&M as a stock has done 62% return. But across the group, there has been a lot of underperformance in other group companies where the management is focused on. So need to see what they're going to talk to the investors in the Investor Day today. Gautam,